dear children, at the very onset, I would like to welcome all of you for the new academic session 2020-21. If everything would have been normal, we were supposed to start our academic session, current academic session from 1st of April 2020, but due to the current pandemic, we could not do so. The reopening of schools got a little delayed. These are highly evolving times, as you all know, wherein we are still not prepared to how to reach one of you. As much as you all might be missing your school and missing coming to school, we, all the teachers, are also missing you a lot and missing coming to school as well. These are times when we have to stand together as a family, and we have to stand together to fight against this pandemic. We all are fighting, we all are taking up the challenge to strive and working on to find solutions, and our teachers have driven up the challenge to start online virtual classes. We are already giving you assignments from last month, but those were all based on earlier curriculum. But since we have already started distributing the books for the current session, we will soon providing you the new curriculum. So very soon, all the teachers are already working with us. Teachers are working over virtually so that they can take up classes and how we can provide you with the current content. So we are working on that. So very soon you will be getting a timetable wherein you will be given a time slot for different subjects for every day. You have to sit during that time. You will be provided with online classes via Zoom app, where you will be having live classes, or by recorded video or by recorded classes. So we will make sure that none of you or all of you will be kept updated for your knowledge level. As per the current scenario, we can see that reopening of schools will definitely get a little longer. So we want to understand everyone that this break is not just holidaying or just getting a break and complain about getting bored. I suggest all of you to utilize this time to enhance your creativity. You can do a lot of indoor exercises. You can learn a new skill like dancing, guitar lessons. There are lots of online classes going on here and there. And as the current scenario demands formal education at a backtrack, that means coming to school might take a longer time, so informal education through virtual classroom such as live classroom will have a get-go from now onwards. My dear children, the world is going through a lot of crisis, and we have to be a responsible citizen of India, and we have to take a decision to work together and to do something so that we can come up as a good, better human being as well. We can be the person to bring out the change. We can be the person to show the world to fight against this pandemic. So by just simply following few rules and regulation, that is keeping yourself healthy, by keeping yourself sanitized regularly, wash your hands regularly, that will definitely help you, and that will definitely help others as well. Also, social distancing and staying at home without complaining or adding burden to your parents, which is definitely going to make you a better person in your later life. You can show the world that you can, by just doing these regulation, by just following this regulation, you are doing a bit to the society as well. Continue your education even from home. We look forward to meet you in person as soon as possible. We are excited to provide you the education, to meet you. We already miss your good mornings, your good days every day. So we are already excited. All the teachers are excited to meet you as soon as possible. So cooperate with all the teachers. Do the assignments, whatever work they give you, do it sincerely till we start our formal schooling. Finally, a word of advice to all the wonderful parents, all the loving parents who have cooperated with us throughout this time, that kindly do not panic about your child's education. We promise you that we will ensure, we'll put up all the efforts to ensure your child's academic excellence, to achieve all the goals what we have planned for your child's future, as your child is our child as well. Together we can make a lot of difference to your child's education. Thank you and have a good day.